17 or 18 degrees outside, so I got my winter shorts on. We are currently headed to Mastertone Muffler, where all of Edna's exhaust work happened originally. Our header that Doug helped me fix is cracked again, but it's cracked in a different place. So after all the rigmarole we went through last time with taking it out and not lining up right, trying to get another header, and then stretching it out on an engine lift, I kind of wanted to cut all that out, and so I talked to Mastertone, and he said that he could jig it up without even having to take it out on the lift. So we're going for the easy way today. Plus I don't know how to TIG, so I would have to get somebody to help me either way. So let's roll. Alright, so we're done. Should be a little quieter in here. The air should be a little fresher. So let's go check it out. Should get less popping. Seem a little quieter in here. That's good. Well, it worked out pretty good. I was only there 20-25 minutes maybe. Got to pet the dog. Got the header fixed. Everything seemed good with that. Much fresher air in the cab. No header issues. So we've got that fixed. Ready for more adventures. Love going out to Mastertone. I've known them for years. They've worked on several of my vehicles in the past. Really great place to go, locally owned. So I definitely recommend Mastertone Muffler. Don't forget, guys, adventures are out there everywhere. You just have to find them. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. And if you want to support us on Patreon, you can do that as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.